Welcome back to the Dubai install. This is day 4 and the final day of the install. Got straight to work removing the plastic again. They've wrapped it every night. They had to do some painting on the roof the day before, and everything looked fantastic. Went there just to run it for a couple of more hours to make sure everything was working perfectly, and it was brilliant. Did a little bit of a walk around here just to show you the whole space and where the sculpture is going to fit, and there it is. Well, that's a wrap. One rolling ball sphere installed in Dubai. We are all done. It is running beautifully. Just need to clean up all of the plastic around that, but they're still doing some painting in the room. So once the room's completely finished, they'll have some people come in and clean it, get it all nice and tidy, and it'll work as it should. Really happy with the install. 4 days, all done, looks fantastic, and I'm sure the client will enjoy their rolling ball sculpture and their view of the Burj.